So, you're recently broken up. You want to talk about it?
What? Samantha, right?
Yeah, that was her name.
Yeah. It was cool. It was cool. Just, just a long time, like 18 months, and I'm it's fine now, just
Calm down, calm down.
just kind of dealing with it, and
You know what, man?
what?
That's beautiful.
Thanks. Are we done?
But I just keep on laughing, hiding the tears in my eyes.